So when we end up doing the coolest cities for engineers to work in, I think hands down it's going to be Vancouver, British Columbia. Because every place we've gone doesn't quite have this view, but it's not really far from it. And we're at Avigilon in downtown Vancouver. I don't know how you guys pulled this off, but you're the fastest growing software company in North America, as I understand it.
Yeah, from last year is ranked by Deloitte and Touche. They do a regular ranking of fast growing tech companies, and we came in fastest growing software company for North America. So really excited about that list of 500 companies. So.
And you're the fastest growing company because you're in a very cool and very important area of functionality and security. Tell us about it, Rick.
Yeah, so what we make is a high definition surveillance system, and we do an end-to-end approach to that. So we make a line of cameras as well as a software product, but really the focus of it and what differentiates it is a focus on delivering better image quality and better video. So that started really as a camera thing. So we started by first, obviously the first thing to improve in surveillance was making a better camera. And so we came to market with a range of the broadest range of megapixel cameras in the industry, so going from 1 all the way up to a 29 megapixel camera, and that's just a sample we have there. And the goal really with that higher resolution was addressing that problem that you've seen with conventional video surveillance. So we're all used to seeing video surveillance on the news. You see those really grainy pictures, low resolution video you can't identify. So what we did there by improving the camera was to capture higher resolution data. And that really introduced some other challenges in a surveillance system that we then addressed through the software. So we made our Avigilon Control Center software to manage that video better. So we have a technology called high definition stream management. And what that really focuses on is making it really efficient and easy to manage high definition video all the way through a surveillance system. So when we talk about the broadest range of megapixel cameras, so we make everything from a 1 megapixel camera that's the same as a 720p TV, all the way up to a 29 megapixel camera. And then what we really try and enforce or educate our partners on is using the right camera for each application. So where a 29 megapixel camera becomes the most useful is anywhere you need to cover a large area in high detail. So here I have one of our 29 megapixel cameras covering a parking lot, and what I'm able to do here with one camera is cover a large parking lot but cover it all in high detail all the time. So with this single camera here, I get the ability to zoom in and see license plates throughout the whole parking lot. At the same time, with that one camera, I'm getting facial identification details as well as seeing all those license plates. So a single camera, when you start thinking about what it's doing in terms of replacing, not just in terms of cameras themselves, but installation costs, maintenance costs, everything to do with all that in terms of giving you better security for less money.